What are the biggest challenges for e-commerce right now?
It's to stay ahead of competition. I think that's pretty important, and to create experience and to create something what people remind why they're coming back, and then giving the right information to the people to stay in mind.
What's the future of e-commerce?
I think it's more about experience in the future. One really important topic is augmented reality. So you have the possibility to project your e-commerce product, your furniture, for example, into the real environment and to get the information you need without purchasing and then having return rates. So you have to lower all these costs, and that's possible with augmented reality and 3D, and also staying ahead of competition through experiences.
Can you say something about the partnership to Shopware?
We are working together with Shopware in our e-commerce plugin, so people are able to create 3D products for their shop and implement them easily into their shop.
What do you like about Shopware?
I like our partnership, so we can work really good together, and they are really thinking into the future, are really thinking what's coming next, and so we can develop a lot of stuff together, especially in the environment of spatial commerce.